Hi nail fam, I hope you guys are doing well. I've not done a video for a while now. I was on a quick little vacation in Europe and now I'm back and getting back on to the swing of things. So this package here is from LANFO Beauty. I have reviewed their dip powder as well as their polygel on my channel before. They were kind enough to send me over 2 of their gel polished collections. So one of these gel polish collection is the 23-piece gel colors, and then this one here is a 6-piece gel color, and this is their glow in the dark collection, and the other collection is a variety of different colors in there. I feel like that collection is like more in between summer and autumn. But let's focus first on the 6-piece collection. As you can see, I would have opened it up. There's a little information pamphlet telling you how to apply the gel and how to remove the gel, and a little bit of information about LANFO. Here is a look at the packaging. Very much loving the square bottles, and I love the matte gold cap onto the bottles as well. Reminds me a little bit of Born Pretty and a little bit of Makartt. All right, so I do have my square swatch sticks. Swatch sticks. I do have my clear swatch sticks here. I'm going to go ahead and test these colors out. I've always wanted to try their gel polish for quite some time. I've actually had it in my cart for a while. And I'm very happy that they were kind enough to send these over for me. But if you are interested, I do have a discount code, and I'll have the link to their website down in the description box. All right. Now let's go ahead and quickly swatch these gel polishes. Now, this is my first time ever using LANFO's gel polish, and I can definitely tell you that these are definitely in the medium thickness. They are not too thin, but they are also not too thick. And it is giving me some really good coverage. Like, you can definitely get away with one coat of this gel polish with certain colors. I'm actually quite impressed with the quality of this gel polish brand. I mean, I know that it was going to be good anyway because the dip powder and the polygel that I've tried from them so far were really nice. Now, the blue, I'm not quite sure, but it was giving me jelly clear vibes, whereas the other ones did have a little bit of opacity. I felt like this one needed a good shake, and it needed two coats. But other than that, the coverage is definitely there. I felt like this was a really good quality gel polish. And the fact that these are available on Amazon and their website, you know, these are very affordable, I would say. So if you're looking to expand, if you're new to gel polish and you don't have 300 to 400 bottles, with no exaggeration, of gel polishes in your inventory, and you're just looking to get started into gel polish design, definitely LANFO Beauty is right up there in terms of affordable and easily accessible gel polishes. This color right here was my absolute favorite. I love pink. I love purple. I'm so glad I was able to swatch these because I just knew that the quality was just going to be so nice. These are absolutely really nice gel polishes to work with. All right, so that blue and purple, I did go in with a second layer, and then I cured them under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'm going to use the base and top coat that I think I got these from the poly gel kit that I previously reviewed. So I just used the top coat, and I top coat all of the swatch sticks and gave that another cure for 60 seconds. So now we're going to move on to the 23-piece collection. Now these are very much smaller than the ones that we just swatched in that 6-piece collection. These are more on the 5 mil. So I used to be like 5 mil. What am I gonna do with this little tiny little bottle? I like big bottles. I like big things like one. And the 10 mil, yes, I will grab it. 15 mil, my ideal size. 20 mil, I will fall in love with this brand forever. I do not have, honestly, I probably have like one collection of 5 mil gel polishes. I think maybe 2. I don't often gravitate towards the small ones, but they do have their place. And this particular collection, I felt like it was a shock for me because I usually don't like to go for small bottles. But when I'm traveling, like I recently traveled to Europe not too long ago, these 5 ml bottles would have been absolutely perfect to carry in my little nail bag, a little nail stash in case you need to have an emergency set of nails. And the pigmentation, the opacity of these gel polishes in these little small little bottles, they were just so like, I was like, wow, I didn't know small gel polishes could do this. I sounded so ignorant. I was well pleased, well impressed by how great of a coverage. I loved all of the colors. I am only going to swatch a few of these on camera because I don't want the entire video to just be a swatch video. I just want you to be able to see how this tiny little gel polish bottle, 5 ml, covered the nail absolutely perfectly. I did not need a second coat. I really didn't need a second coat. I put on my one coat. You can see that there's a nice little thickness to the nail. Look at that. You can barely even see anything. And I give that a cure for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. Now in this collection, there are a few glittery ones. So I just wanted to quickly test out to see how the glitter or the sparkly shimmery colors looked on camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch maybe 1 or 2 more, and then I'll do the rest of them off camera. So here's a final view of all of the colors, including the glow in the dark colors that we swatched from that 6-piece collection. All of them have been cured. So now I'm going to move on to my nail design. I decided to use one color from the 6-piece collection and also an additional color from the 23-piece collection. And I will be using the base and top coat from the polygel kit that was from a previous collection. All right, all LANFO beauty products here that we have here on the table. So I'm going to start off by applying a layer of base gel onto my nail. I'm going to start off with my thumb first. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this pink glow in the dark, beautiful color to my entire nail. Now we are going to be doing a vertical ombre onto this nail. So I'm just going to apply my first color down first. And then we're going to go in with the second layer of this pink, but we're only going to apply it to half of the nail, not the entire nail, because we're going to apply the other color on the other half of the nail for our vertical ombre. Then I'll take an ombre brush and I'm just going to sweep that ombre brush down the center of the nail. So to add a little bit of design to this nail, this is a 2-color ombre, vertical ombre. So I'm going to do a 2-color French outline. So it's going to be like a split French outline. So I'm going to take 2 different glitter gel liners. I'm just going to go ahead and outline my French lines onto each half of the nail. And then once I have the lines done, I'll go ahead and give that a cure and then finish this off with a little bit of top coat. Now, I probably could have gone in with a second layer of the ombre colors because if you look at the darker pink, you can see a few streaks in there because I have the lighter color underneath. So I should have gone in with a second coat, but because I've already applied the glitter gel liners, I wasn't able to go over it again. So I just continued on with the nail design. And I'm just adding a little bit of half pearls onto the nail, and that's basically it. So I'm going to do this exact same design that I did on my thumb onto my ring finger, and then I'm just going to paint the other fingers using that light neon glow in the dark pink. All right, so now that I'm done with the gel polish for the minute, I'm now just going to go ahead and add some stickers onto these nails. Then we're going to add some top coat, and we're basically done with this nail design. So I decided I would add in some snakes. I would add in some twinkly stars. I would add in some crescents. I just grabbed these stickers because I felt like, they look really nice. Maybe they will complement this nail set. I kind of had no idea what kind of nail design I wanted to do anyway. I just knew that I loved these two colors together. All right, so now I'm just applying the stickers onto my nail. We're going to apply some top coat over the top of these nails and then give them a final cure. All right, here's how we're looking so far. I love how pretty these are looking. So to finish off this nail, we're going to clean up that cuticle area. We're going to file around the sides of the nail and the free edge. And then we're just going to add a little bit of cuticle oil to those crusty cuticles. And we are ready to snag our Instagram pictures and our little TikTok video. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial. Thank you to LANFO Beauty, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.